Hey guys, this is Justin DeBoard at Royal RV Auto. I have a beautiful 2013 Jeep Wrangler, and today I want to do a video on 5 reasons that I think this is a great deal. Alright, so reason number 1, these Jeeps are amazing fun for the family and also for you. You can take the doors off, you can take the roof off, and just enjoy the nice summer days. These things are just, you can take them to the sand dunes, you can do whatever you like with them. They are just awesome vehicles to have. Alright guys, number 2 for me, I love this Jeep Wrangler. It has a 3-inch box leveling kit, also has 35-inch tires with Vision wheels. And if you go around the front, this Jeep does have the KC lights all the way around and on a 3-panel switch, super clean. It just makes it look really, really sharp on this beautiful paint. Alright guys, number 3, this vehicle is priced very well. $25,995 is what we were asking for the vehicle. It does have a clean Carfax. The last owner had it for almost 7 years. Has all the receipts from the new tires to the lift, to everything that's been done to the vehicle. Number 4, these vehicles have amazing resale value. You could buy this vehicle for $25,995 and pretty much, drive 10, 15, 20,000 miles and almost get all your money back out of it, which any vehicle anymore, that's really hard to do, but these vehicles are awesome for resale value. Number 5, this vehicle is equipped very nicely. A lot of these Jeeps come in with manual transmission. This one does have the automatic transmission with the manual transfer case. Also, it does have the Alpine radio, and it does have a hardtop, which is very important in these Jeeps when you do drive them in winter, because they are great in the winter as well. Alright guys, I just wanted to showcase this vehicle. This is one of the many vehicles we have on our lot that are very, very nice and very clean with clean Carfaxes. If you would like to come out and take it for a drive, get pre-approved, come out to Royal RV and Auto Center in Middlebury, Indiana, 1441 US 20 46540. Come on out, be a part of the family. Thank you.